Mabuhay! I'm just showing you glimpses of my body massage with my very good friend Leah Fornia here in Davao City. So I'm your blogger, teacher being Arlida being Basilio Rindon. I'd like to give myself a gift celebrating World Teachers Month from September 5 to October 5. And that is World Teachers Month. And today is October 5, Teachers Day, World Teachers Day. So I'd like to give myself a massage. So this is it. I love the spa center of my very good friend Leah here. We are now on my back part, yeah. So the back part is really being massaged by relaxing massage. If you like to have your appointment here in Davao City only, please private message Leah Fornia's account, the one with her daughter, not the one her solo picture, in as much as what is active or used by my friend here is the one with her daughter Leah Fornia. It's just here in Wellspring, Davao. She's accepting appointment
home service
for
those who want
this body massage. By the way, this is not only for sick people who are stroke or having broken bones, but
dislocation.
Dislocation.
Not a fracture.
Not a fracture. Dislocation.
Dislocation is.
How is it acquired? The dislocation, dapa? Frozen lang?
No, disaligned.
Disaligned. So she's accepting that one. Dislocation of bones, stroke, and for body wellness only. Just like me, I've been a client of my friend here for 5 years already, before pandemic time, and all is well. My purpose is just body maintenance. All is well. And it will be good for the body, mind, and spirit. Only affordable price,
300
rather, 300, and you can have your tip also, of course, if you're satisfied with the service. This is our way of loving ourselves, me time, and me. Gone are the days when I have my chocolate, my cakes, my cash, my flowers, what else, yeah, my gifts from my learners. And as much as I'm already retired, so I give myself. This is my gift for today, Teacher's Day. Last na lang yan, in as much as the other video, hindi ko nakuha. But today, I think it's already working. My favorite part is here on my feet and hands. You know. So just a little massage. Okay, this is, I really love this one. And thank you, yeah. Thank you for that. The favorite part is the foot. Second is my hands. So this is my hands. The hands part. The body wellness is here. What are you waiting for? Please come now. PM my friend here, Leah Fornia. Leah Fornia na lang. Okay, thank you, yeah, and thank you, Kamabuhay, and my Mabuhay viewers, everyone, friends, for watching this whole body massage right here in Davao City. Signing off, your teacher blogger, teacher being Arlida being Basilio Rindon. Don't forget, if there's no picture or video, it did not happen. Thank you, friend.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Teacher's Day.
Okay,
and Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Every time.
Every time. Every day. Teacher's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. So this is it. We'll have our lunch now. Thank you, Kamabuhay and Mabuhay. Signing off. Mabuhay.